everyone, my name is Raindrops. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are a returning drop, what it do, girl? Today's video is a hair, makeup, and outfit get ready with me. And we are doing crochet locks. Now I have several videos on my channel featuring crochet locks, all the way from go-go curl to goddess locks, the braids, anything you can think of. I've pretty much done it on my channel, but it's been about a year or so, over a year since I've done crochet hair. Because I big chopped back in October again, I just want to keep my hair, braided up out of the way until it grows back to, where I want it to be. So I went into my local beauty supply store, one of my favorites, and I found the Mayde Beauty Braid Wavy Island Gorgeous Locks. This is what it looks like. This is 12 inches, and I only got one pack of these. I bought 5 packs altogether. This is in the color T30, and this is more of a highlighted color, T27. So I'm gonna finish a few of these on camera for you guys to show you what I do, and I'm gonna do the rest off camera. Like I said, I bought 5 packs. I think I have, so right now in my hair, I have 3.5 packs. I've been doing this since 2:23. It's exactly 3 o'clock now. So I've been doing them for like 30 minutes, just about, and you can see I'm almost finished. I have a small head. This is easy, it doesn't take that long. They come pre-looped. So I have 1 pack of the 30 left. So I'm gonna stick the brighter ones in the front. And basically I just stick my crochet needle through, put the pre-loop on the end of the hook, close it, bring it through, and then I hook the smaller end at the edge of the lock, close it to bring it through the hole. And I don't like to slide this against my hair. I think that it kind of causes damage if you're not careful. And then I just pull it through, close it up. I'm gonna show you guys again a few more of these, and through the hoop, close it, pull it through, go down to the end, put it on a latch and close it, pull it through the pre-looped hole, and then that's that.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Okay guys, so you saw how I did this. I only have a little bit left. It's quite redundant, so I don't want to waste time with this. But there are 24 locks. They're like 2 separate little bundles, 12 in each, 24 locks. Again, I bought 5 packs, but I have one of the T30s left. So basically, I kind of use 4 packs. Doesn't take long. Again, I've been doing this for about the last 35 minutes, and I'm almost done. So right after this, I'll be back and we can get started with the makeup portion of the video. Okay guys, so I'm finished, and let's see. I end up taking 6 more out of that last pack that I told you I had. I wanted a deep side part. So I used all of the what was it? Yeah, the T27 in the front. So now what I'm going to do is use the Botanica mousse and then lay my edges with the Kiss Edge Fixer super max hold. This is the scent Sweet Peach. And then I'm gonna tie my hair down while I do my makeup.